Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can wrap your face in the CapCut PC using effect, sorry, body effect. Alright, um, select your videos or just photos that you like edit. For example, so to cover the face, I'm going to select effect and select a body effect, and you can find a mesh. Here's a face mosaic. Just add a drag and you can see the face has been covered, and you can change body option for the effect just for the rain and then size. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And this is applies to the video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.